Hey, welcome back to Taiwan. Again, we're featuring Vietnamese noodle soup. It's called pho. Okay, it's very popular in Vietnam, of course, and I love to eat them too. Every time I go to a big city, Birmingham or Atlanta, I stop by there all the time. Now I can stop by my own restaurant, so come and join me, okay? First of all, every soup we do here is a beef broth soup. Okay, I'm gonna start off with the beef bone. Okay, real nice bone here. Wait until your water is boil. Okay, I got a nice hot cooker here. I could make the water real hot. Okay, so let the water boil for a little bit, and then put your beef broth in there. Okay, and I got some. I'm gonna put some ginger in there. Okay. Sugar cane. And about 2 ounces of salt. And fish sauce. Okay, this is the fish sauce I'm using right now. Okay. And this is a different kind of spice that make the flavor come out, and aroma that we have is a bunch of seasoning. You could pick up this up at the Asian market, or I will have it here. Okay, it's just a different kind of variety of spice. And we let this soak for a little bit. All right. And that's gonna take a while to cook that. Basically, I like to do this overnight. Okay, and we're gonna let that cook for a while. Okay. Earlier we made a broth with the magic of camera, television. The broth is already done, so it's been cooking now for at least 2 to 3 hours already. Okay, and I prefer it overnight. I prefer if I cook it next day, let the broth simmer a little bit, and let all the stuff come out of the beef bone, and it will taste much better. Okay, so like I said, this noodle soup is very, very popular. Okay, we have a variety of different 2 different type of noodles today. We got rice noodle, and we got a wonton noodle, yellow noodle, egg noodle. Okay, you can use different kind of noodle you like. But after we're done with all this, I'm gonna have a white rice noodle. I got egg noodle coming. So hope you come in and join us and enjoy it. Okay. It's real simple soup. I tell you what, it's one of my favorite, I should say. Okay. Now we're gonna start off this one here with the rice noodle. Okay, it's gonna be beef rice noodle. So I got hot water boiling over here already. I'm gonna soak the noodle a little bit. I'm gonna let that noodle soft a little bit. Okay. Okay, and we're gonna do beef ball here. I'm gonna put this with our broth. Let that cook for a little bit. Okay. Noodle didn't take that long. Check out all the water. First, I'm going to put a little bit of bean sprout on that. Between the bean sprout, I'm going to put the beef ball here. And we're having fresh beef today. It's a beef round I use with a lay it over here on the noodle cell, raw. Okay, I'm gonna let the broth cook the beef the rest of the way, okay? If you like it cooked a little longer, no problem. But I like my medium rare or rare, okay, for this soup. Okay. And I'm gonna put a hot soup right on top of the broth. As you know, the the beef should cook. I had this broth cooking for a little while. Okay. Look at it, the beef gonna. Okay, if you like I say, you like to cook a little longer, no problem at all. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna garnish that soup now. A little bit of carrots, onion, green onion, and cilantro. All right. Fun thing about eating the soup, okay, is how spicy you want it and the flavor you want is on you, okay? If you go to, that's why different restaurants, they got different garnish at the table, and you can just spice it any way you like, okay? If you want to add a little bit of pepper, chili here, go ahead. If you like a little sweeter, which I like a little bit sweet, okay, okay. And I got a garlic oil here that I like to put in my soup. Okay. And we got pickle vinegar pepper here, okay. A jalapeno pepper, to be exact. I like to put in there. And again, look at all this fun thing you can put in there. I got, if you want a little bit more fish sauce, go ahead. It's soy sauce. And I like to put my finishing up with a little bit of hoisin sauce. Okay. On top of that. And you will be served with fresh basil, bean sprout, and lime for your flavor, okay? Well, here's one of our soup. Please enjoy. Come see us.